I feel like everyone who follows my channel and my Instagram and all that good stuff doesn't even know who I am. So, this is me. People, how goes it? How's it been? You haven't missed me, and that's okay. I don't mind. I really don't. So today, I don't have a whole lot on my agenda for once. Just checking a couple of emails and going through some stuff on the cars. Gonna go get a car wash here in just a second. I do have a car meet tonight down in the Springs, so I'm probably going to go to that. And that's literally it. Like, I have such a boring day today. See if I got any emails. Nothing important. I'm gonna put up a poll up probably here. Let's put it here. So I'm gonna put a poll up there, and I'm gonna let you guys choose which race series we end up competing in the 2019 season coming up. We're gonna choose from drift, bow, rally, bow, or autocross. Well, road racing, same thing. You guys start in autocross, but we're gonna kind of let you guys decide. So please take the poll, leave comments below, do whatever it is you gotta do to get your vote in there. We are rally guys by heart, myself and my brother Damien and Lucio as well. Like, we all have a big stage rally background and would love to go back. But our followers have to enjoy watching it, and that's kind of what matters. So, yeah, that's where we are. Cool. I'm gonna shut this off, throw some shoes on. Let's get down to the car wash. What are you doing, dude? You guys don't even know what you're doing, do you? Do you? You just don't want to open your toys. I see it. Shouts out to Vans for seriously making the most comfortable, street shoe that I've, ever laid my feet in. Like, good lord. Alright, got my keys, got my wallet. Camera. Back off. It's funny because I'd probably lose my head if it wasn't attached. Sad as that sounds. I feel like nobody even knows what I drive. So, I've got 3 vehicles, one of which isn't here right now. We've got the B5 Audi S4, which, she's beautiful, inside and out. We love you, Ruby. And then we've got the other car, which isn't as special, which is this one. And that's what we're gonna go wash. Got the neighbor judging me super hard. Yeah. Let's get some AC going in here. Oh yeah. It was raining last night, so car's got a little messy. Alright, so other news. My shifter is way too hot to touch. I'm not seeing. Oh yes, there we go. But I don't usually leave my stuff in there. I have to start taking my shifter off every time I get out of the car. Otherwise I'm gonna wear my gloves. It's the worst. Alright. Let's head over to the car wash. Ooh, Ruby needs a bath too. Bird pooped on you. Damn it. My mobile toolbox, basically. That's pretty much what's going on up in here. Constantly working on something, so constantly having to bring tools. Ugh. How ugly that old shifter was. So glad I upgraded. Quick walk around real quick before we get going. So this is the Integra in all of its mighty glory. It's bone stock on the exterior except for the LS meshes from the DC Integra. All original, except for the interior. The interior's got GSR seats and, you know, the obvious short shifter and stuff. Body's in really good shape. She's gonna be our diamond in the rough, so we're gonna lower her down. We're gonna keep the LS meshes. We're going to refurbish them and get them looking immaculate, because right now they're not doing too great. So we're gonna see how far just cleaning them gets, and then after that we'll decide what we're gonna do refurbish wise, whether we're gonna have to paint them or what's gonna have to happen. But I'm thinking either black or white. So I'm gonna let you guys let me know in the comment section below what I should do, and then we're gonna leave the paint just like this with the fading and everything. We're gonna leave it like that, so that it's kind of like from the outside it's all beat up and ugly, but everything on the inside is beautiful. That's kind of the plan. So that's where we're at. She sounds good though, and I've got AC. I don't know what it's like to live in Denver. I'll tell you what it's like. Construction everywhere, all the time, non-stop, in traffic. That's what it's like to live in Denver. Just saying. But on a more serious note, finally made it to the car wash, so that's always a blast, yo. Ooh, I better back up a little bit though. The whole car inside. Alright, let's clean this dirty girl. So we're now ending our night at Fuzzy's. It's a big ass beer. So thanks for watching, guys. Well, we're done. Another day down. The car meet down. It's really lame because nobody wants to show up to things ever, and it's frustrating as all hell. But we showed up, we showed face, that's what matters. If you guys like, drop a like down below. If you got something to say, drop it down in the comment section below. And if you like me, if you like my cars, either of them, either one, or if you like Colorado and like the car scene and want to know more, hit the subscribe button. Matter of fact, okay, there's going to be a box right here. Big circle. Bam. Press that. That's the subscribe button. Takes you straight to my channel. Over here, we're going to have a link to a video. Over here, we're going to have a link to a video. It's going to be a blast. Should be on my face like right now. So if your video's getting blocked by a box, then you're in the right spot of the video. Yeah. Click like, click subscribe. Seriously. I need it. Thanks. Bye-bye.